In this video, you will learn how to edit PDF file in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have opened a PDF file and I want to edit it, but I am not able to edit this file. You will learn how to edit this file using Microsoft Word and later on save this file as a PDF. So let's start this video. Firstly, I will open Microsoft Word. After that, you will find the option of Open. Select Open option. From here, I will select Browse option. Firstly, I will close the PDF file. Now from here, locate your PDF file. I have saved that PDF file on desktop, so I will select desktop. And scroll down. PDF tutorial, and this one is the application form. This is the file that I want to edit. I will select this one and I will click on open. A dialog box will be appeared. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. Click on OK and wait for a few seconds. Now you can observe that application form is converted. So I can easily edit this one. If I scroll down, currently you can see here the text appeared on 2 pages instead of 1 page. I will go to layout option and from here I will select size of page and legal. I will scroll down and here I will adjust this one. I will reduce its size. Now you can observe that the text appeared on only single page. Now you will learn how to enter information in this application form. I will select this one and move this line downward. Now I will enter my name here. Similarly, it is the name of the post. I will select this one. I will select my name here, cut it and paste it here. And name of post, I will write assistant professor. Similarly, you can edit this one. For example, I will select this one, go to home option, and from here you can change the color. Similarly, you can bold it. You can perform any editing option according to your requirement. After the completion of editing, you can simply save it as a PDF file. For example, I will go to File and I will choose Save As option. From here, select Browse option. Here, application form 2. I will rename it, and here you will find the option of Save As Type. I will choose PDF here. After that, here you will find the option of Standard Publishing, Online and Printing. I will choose this option and I will select this option, Open File after Publishing. After doing all these tasks, simply click on Save and your file will be saved as PDF. Now you can see here, it is the latest version of PDF which I have edited and information is entered in this PDF form. Now I will open older version for comparison purpose. Now I will close this one. And I will open the older version of this file, which is the application form. Select this one. Now here you can see here information is not entered. I will close this one, and here is the later version. Select this one. From here you can observe that we have successfully edited this PDF file using Microsoft Word. So by using Microsoft Word you can easily edit PDF form. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.